Looking to supercharge your storage without breaking the bank? The high-performance NVMe PCIe adapter delivers blazing fast transfer speeds up to 64 gigabits per second thanks to its PCIe 4.0 support, making it a smart upgrade for anyone wanting top-tier performance. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or handling large data files, this adapter ensures your SSD operates at full throttle with minimal bottlenecks. I recently swapped out my older adapter for this one, and the difference was clear. It fits seamlessly into PCIe X16, X8, or X4 slots and supports multiple SSD sizes, from 2230 to 2280, covering all popular M-Key and M&B-Key NVMe, AHCI drives over 2 terabytes. What stood out was how cool the SSD stayed during heavy use, thanks to the thoughtfully designed heatsink and silicone pads that enhance heat dissipation. No overheating, no throttling, just consistent, reliable speed. Plus, it worked right out of the box on Windows 10 with no extra drivers needed, which saved me time and hassle. Safety isn't an afterthought here. The adapter includes built-in protections against short circuits, overcurrent, overvoltage, and electromagnetic interference. That means your valuable data stays secure while your system runs smoothly. The LED indicators keep you informed on power and data transfer status, so you always know what's going on under the hood. If you're ready to upgrade your storage setup, this NVMe PCIe adapter is worth a look. It's compatible with PCIe 4.0, 3.0, 2.0, and 1.0 motherboards, supporting a wide range of systems including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. The package comes complete with the adapter, heatsink, silicone pads, screws, a screwdriver, and a user manual. Everything you need to get started quickly. Whether you're building a new rig or enhancing an existing one, this adapter offers a practical, high-performance solution without complicated installs or compatibility headaches. If that's you, consider upgrading to this reliable, fast NVMe PCIe adapter and experience the difference firsthand. Try it when you're ready and unlock your SSD's true potential.